Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nui again. Today I would like to talk about the price increase from Louis Vuitton in Europe and what I got before the price increase. So let's have a look together. I heard about the price increase from Foxy LV for a few days, and then I start to look all over which one would I like to get from Louis Vuitton, and I would like to get more stuff, but actually I could get only one piece because they don't put it online that much, and then when I try to sell it, try to buy it, it's already gone. So you have to be very quick, and I'm so glad that I got one. So I would like to talk about the price increase in Europe, okay, in Austria. The first one is Pochette. The price was 1,750 last year, and now it's 1,900. When I got it last year in 2021 in January, I got it for 1,450, I think, and I was so lucky that I had that bag because it's my favorite bag that I got, and now the price is too high and it's very difficult to get it. Now I don't think that I can afford that bag anymore, but it's a great bag. If you have a chance to have it, please get it before the price is gonna be higher than this. And the second one is gonna be Pochette Métis. Yeah, I used to want to get it before the monogram, and the price was like maybe 7 or 8 years ago. The price was only 1,200 up, and now it's already 1,900. But it's actually a great bag. If you have a chance to get it, you are gonna be lucky, and it's an iconic bag. So I used to have one in reverse monogram, but I didn't like the color that much in the end, and I was pregnant and I didn't want to see that bag. I don't know why, and it was too heavy for me, so I decided to sell it, and now I miss it. If I had a chance to get this one again, Pochette Métis, I would like to get it in emprunt leather because I heard that it's gonna be easy to maintain, and there is less wear and tear, I think, from this one. Yeah. And the next one is gonna be Speedy Nano, the new one. They just had it last month, I think. They just launched the new Speedy Nano last month, and the price was 1,150 euro, and I couldn't even order it because my essay said that it's a very famous piece and you cannot pre-order. So, but right now the price is 1,300. So I don't think that I'm going to get it because it's just a small bag, and you cannot put that many you cannot put too many things inside, and the price is 1,300. Last year I got Neo Noe for a big size, 1,300, and to compare with the Speedy Nano, the smaller one, and I think that it's not worth the money for 1,300. And the next one, the price increased a lot, is Pochette Felici. In the past, maybe 2 years ago, I got it for 700 euro, and now the price is 1,100. From the old price was 920. It's increased a lot in this piece, I think, because people like this bag, and it's not so expensive, and there are 3 pieces inside. So I think that if you still want to have it, please get it now before the price is gonna increase more, maybe in October. And I heard that Neverfull in this country, it increased 200 euro more. It increased a lot, this one, but I don't know actually the price right now. Yeah, I don't have it with me. And the Croisette, this one is my favorite, and I told you from the last video that I wanted to get it. The price was 1,350, and now it is 1,450. So it's increased a lot, and I'm not sure if in the future I can afford this Louis Vuitton anymore. To think that maybe you can also add a little bit more money and you can get Chanel bag, or save more money to get other brand that is more expensive, because this is like gold. The price increase every year. Nowadays people save the bag instead of buying gold, I think. So let's see, and now let's see what I got before the price increase. So this is what I got. This is Croisette in Damier Azur. I think that this bag it was produced long time ago, and I just have an eye on it recently because I have so many bags in monogram. I have in Damier Azur canvas, and now I would like to have I have so many Damier Ebene, and now I would like to have the Azur one. And this is the first one that I got. Actually, I used to have the Speedy in this canvas before, but I don't really use it. I don't really hold. I use this kind of bag, the Speedy, without bandolier, without strap like that. So this one is very pretty, and there is pink interior inside, and I really love this one so much. And I tried to use it today once, and I like it so much. The weight is not so heavy, and the color is for spring and summer, and you can fit with many clothes. And I love pink and white, so this is my type of bag. And I didn't know why I didn't want to get it in the past, because this bag is so pretty. Just only the problem is this one is kind of annoying. If you don't put too many things inside the bag, it's quite hard to close. Yeah, and I'm quite sure that this one is gonna be dirty. This Pochette here. This one I also spray with the Colonial Nano spray. I couldn't find Apple Guard here because I think they don't sell it in Europe, but they have Colonial. I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but it's a very good brand. I used to have it before. I used to spray my bag before. Yeah, look, let's see. So what I can do with this bag, I think I'm going to put the bandeau around this handle, the top handle, so that it's not gonna be dirty. And I also spray this one already. So, and this one I'm not gonna remove the plastic because so that I can protect the gold hardware. And this one I think I will leave it, or I will change it to the pink pom-pom. I don't know yet. And this strap, it fit me perfectly because I'm 5 feet 8 inches or 171 centimeters, so it fits me perfectly. And maybe I can change the strap to multi-pochette in pink, so it's gonna be very pretty bag. So this is how it looks. One side is Vivian like this, and the other side is Eiffel Tower. It looks so pretty. This is the reason why I bought the bandeau, because of this bag. And I can also put the multi-pochette strap inside on this one. This is how it looks. So pretty. Oh, I hope that you will enjoy it, and please subscribe if you like the video, or click like. So I hope that you will see me next time with the maybe bag comparison between the Croisette and Alma BB. Maybe this one is gonna fit, and the size, yeah, something like this. So have a nice day. Bye bye.